Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to start doors and windows design quickly. Let's try it together. First step, enter doors and windows. Go to Interior Design Tools. Click Advanced Tool. Select Doors and Windows to enter the customization interface. Second step, filter materials. Click on the public catalogue. There are whole wood doors and windows, aluminum doors and windows, materials. You can choose the doors and windows materials that meet your design needs. Third step, set up doors and windows and sizing. After selecting the doors and windows model in the public catalogue and dragging it out, the parameter panel can adjust the model parameters. The demonstration of setting the window is as follows. Final step, appearance modification. You can modify individual door or window styles. Click on the door or window. Select Style in the Parameters panel to replace the material style of the doors, mouldings, panels and handles. The demonstration of setting the window is as follows. You can also batch modify multiple doors and window styles. In the top toolbar, switch to Select Cabinet. Select Global Style in Global Edit. Click on the doors and windows and select the material style of the doors and windows to be replaced in the Parameters panel. Doors and windows design is so easy. Come and try it. That's all. Thanks for watching.